On behalf of TVLesson.com, I'm Dr. Jeffrey Epstein. I'm a board-certified facial plastic surgeon who specializes in surgical hair restoration. In this clip, we're going to show you how to design an eyebrow transplant. Let's look at our patient. She's a woman who is in her late 40s, who who desires to have fuller eyebrows. You can tell that she's got a little bit of thinness there. Overall, though, the shape of them are nice. They're a little asymmetric. This one's a little lower than this one. When designing eyebrows, of course, the first thing is to go ahead and get the patient's feelings and goals about how, what they're looking for. Many times I'll have a patient go ahead and draw them out themselves. In this case, my patient is basically deferring to my judgment. And what I'm essentially going to do is I'm going to look at the eyebrows, and I like to divide the eyebrows into three parts. The inner aspect, which is called the head, the middle 2/3, which is called the body, and then the very tail end. And when designing them, what I generally like to do is I use my little purple marker, and I like to go ahead and in the center aspect, the head aspect, I like to create a little bit of a flatness there. And then I like to then follow out with the body, giving a little bit of an arch, and then coming down sort of like that. In terms of the direction of growth, these hairs in the inner aspect are going to grow primarily in an upward direction, a vertical direction. Then they slowly taper out to growing in a more horizontal direction. And actually, the upper hairs grow in a downward direction, then the lower hairs grow in an upward direction. So you get a crosshatch. She's fairly thin here, so by going ahead and doing the eyebrows in a crosshatch fashion, we'll go ahead and get a thicker density. And then as we taper it out, you can see that these hairs will grow in a more lateral direction. This is the way we design the eyebrows. This is eyebrow transplantation is a very commonly performed procedure that I do, and this is how we design them. On behalf of TVLesson.com, I'm Dr. Jeffrey Epstein. Thanks for watching.